Seven and one subeguru and egu. We will say, he make it them, my dear Joko. He make it them, my dear Joko. He make it them, my dear Joko. In your opinion, man of war, bunko jaw, remember Kama. Egom buto we remember love of Kama. I said, remember love of Kama. Remember love of Kama. A lot of people have been coming onto my inbox. Now, some Jpac. Won't be a better. Ogechi Okeke and Jakabo, your sister. Oh, one day why? Yes, oh, one day why? Manebe no. All this while, do you know what I've been passing through? Why you lawful? Why you just lawful? My wife, I'm on social media. I'm on internet. What on your man social media? I'm made a job and I made a wedding. Messi wedding. Ogechi went and be bullying my wife. What of Obuzena? That thing break in my home. Ogechi will be happy. Where are you when she was busy bullying my wife and my in-law in Owerri? Ogechi, I'm my in-law. Or not marry my in-law. Or not marry my wife. Or Monyobo. Tomorrow, open that thing, break maybe in my marriage. Or couldn't get but I say sorry, we are Igbos. Sorry, maybe you're a Christian. Maybe. Whenever you want to tell somebody, I'm a have mercy upon that person. Have you ever come and cautioned that person online? Have you come and cautioned that lady online? Minding the fact that no one de me for one money. If they destroy your image, my wife. Lie ni in a mercy about Kitase, nice and isn't the money. When you were busy telling the whole world, putting an allegation on me. Now you see, let's find your back. May his soul rest in peace. Nay, but the family able, but where are you? Today, you were all busy. Now police, now Yazibiko, now all those things mere talk. So open mere talk, open up for that day. January see the war. Now many people open up now men with a strong background and strong taproot for those that have been giving me work. Open a man with the trust with Jpac and the man from childhood. Over today, I will be carrying plates na bus stop na yoni babiala ngwa beggar na street. Okwa megini okwa ngwa beggar na street. Obi kari ibana room raochora check it 4G na Jpac na edi na ifanya oba. E na akọ your followers and they share the video. Or na atoge. You were 1.3 million followers. And they share video or not talking. You never care what that guy is passing through. You never care whether the wife will leave him because of that. Something you did not verify. I'm going for that test, yeah. You must conduct that test. Before it, let me just put this is social media. Before I will forgive Ogechi in my whole life, Ogechi must go. We must go for that test. Or when they do that test, yeah, we must go to test. Some of the big men, we don't have one also. Then I try to make a block. Okay, don't write that nonsense. Don't ever have a court. I'm going to ask him, bro, this is not necessary. Where are you, Mbona? Don't ever try it. I cannot block you. This is my family. My son is growing up today. Tomorrow, my son will come on social media so that nobody will have mouth to talk to my son or to insult my son. Na papa, now I'm going to be able to banana arena. Before I will forgive Ogechi Njaka, she must come. We will go to doctor. Get on a detention. This is my opportunity to catch out Ogechi. Because no could say that now get that test. Let blogger carry this news. Let bloggers carry this news. Meanwhile, my petition came 60 leaves of loads. Madam Justice name came and name my own. Ogechi must carry me to test. I wasn't around there. She went and be complaining to doctors. Now, what did they not have a go to? The same one the police. I have Ogechi wager. I get test. I came. Oh, Bruna. Nifo get the Oku, Bezioku, I will replace Ogechi that police. Jpac and say, let me block you. Bro, I don't talk like actor like you. Let me block you immediately. Let me block you immediately. Don't come and talk rubbish. Nigga, bogo. If Ogechi in Jagade Kube Ezioku, Agama submit you when Abogana Ogechi 6 years imprisonment. Agama be replaced here. I will donate myself. Nobody here Ogechi in Jagade. This is not the matter of Igbo. Mobi baby, mobi charge, mobi anything. This is reality. I want to. We will face reality to the core. So I get face reality. Save one video because I will still download this video. Ogechi tells. Open in my whole lifetime. Now doctor the charam. Lelecha webu na aka made. Aba go be ike before. Ogechi open na 6 years in prison. I will come and replace her. Mono open na say. Ogechi go up and go. Hey, it's okay now. They do life now. Just clean that place and open the Ogechi de Kuba say, go up and go Ogechi no why akwom ogakume. Ogakum the money. Here my turn. I thank God for a day like this. Thank God for a day like this. Okwana about and I say even Marco Zion. Sena Jpac and I can't any agent video Zion. Agent video Zion. Everybody Nana Nike. Maybe the Bonye Budebu. Oko now my humble second and Kokwa. Able to me porno. You call yourself a billionaire, online billionaire. You call yourself a online billionaire from video in a Bonyo Budo. No way with an Aranike. Jpac and Aranike. Don't worry, I am out for this. Thank God no yan actual on email. Bruno Ogechi Jakani Yodo Kubezo Gwenele Maho. Ogechi will spend 6 years. I will come and replace her. I want the court to say, can replace Ogechi now. Everybody bomb Bezioku. Manobana say I will give her bill. I will give her bill. No amount of apology. Mama, I don't say apology. I don't listen to this. Here time for reality. Mbenchoro ga Ogechi ma apology na January mgbe abutere Ogechi. Dobe na zone 13 n'Ugbo. Na me expect ko me apology. She did not apologize. Time for apology have come and gone. Here my own time. Obuna mbu nwe ekwensu ka mbia buru nwe ekwensu. Onye obuna disturb na my WhatsApp, say apology, I will block that person immediately. Onye also kwa buru mpam, say apology, I will block the person. So, oburu na ihe Ogechi na-ekwu bụ eziokwu. Mba abịa na court, gwa asịa si lele ma ahụ. Obuna aka nwoke ma ọ aka nwaanyị arụ igom n'ike before. Then obuna 6 years go Ogechi eje, I will come and replace her. Garden ga. Mana obuna asị go through mass where took the mass, they find man aram nike, Nandoga and aram nike. Ogechi ya kukidu go no wa. Bao me hana real kama. Don't worry, you will see me in Abuja very soon. That kama hon na chono gafwe. Go ahead the pig, you thunder fire your generation. Come on, get that from here. Easy. Come on, get that from my page. Anom pama. In a bomb pagi pig. So that tomorrow my son is growing up. I'll graduate here at school. Nobody will insult my son. We say that I'm packing away and baby, but no way you hear me. This is no more like this. But I'm just his name and came we brun came nadia. Governor Joko brun came nadia. People like brun carabia. No, enough is enough. Enough is enough. Somebody whipped away to be used by devil. Somebody whipped away to be used by devil. Now whipped away and they use Sugi. In there, what I talk, I'm not Ogechi, man, Abramonio Bombadike. Today, some of my boss are on meeting. Some Jpac, you're getting the where's Yoku? More you don't know why. So, this is the time for me to prove my innocence. So, Ogechi, get and then tap on our body, Managana body because get our man justice in way issue 100. Nkemu 200. Family be fine by a tick on there. Because this is not the abuse, but that's only capital Jpac is you. But only one man or I won't mention his name. Same the reason why Ojina wasn't na phone no for Chani Ogechi post. Now a better name in your channel base yoku. Or the name in your channel base yoku because the lady know how to fabricate lie. She know how to come up and fabricate lie. Oh, getting Jagabu the main reason why I call on a prison. Ogechi Njaka reason Bona Akwa non detention because of lies. Because of lie. If you want to create a na Akwa Ogechi with a condom, na ere, and I will take one car. No, spam and them mad. Put the boy ebubo. People namaro onye Ogechi according to good lie so Ogechi Njaka. Buy the lie from A to Z. Today, that thing so contribute to that problem. If you boy ebubo, no one make it happen. But everything in the security, pick he said also without knowing that what this guy is saying is pure lie. A lady orchestrated to destroy people's family. And only a corner saying I will destroy you. Kena semo umunne chineke ogoku. Oyeba ekusuno umunne. I don't know Ogechi, don't know me. Amaro monyobu. So even I say na akwa one negi. Don't spare me that with Igbo. I'm gonna over there Igbo adeja. Sem no umunne. Oh guy, you know go do sheshe. Oh, these are the main problem. Ogechi get out of 6 years in prison. These are the main reason why Tojuku Waba. These are the main reason why Ogechi just spend the 6 years. On what they yana call more happy Ogechi and Kai. Naga was the news of man and Archie, based watch. A man Archie have online. My pig armor, what I had. Put my petition, my wife, put take evidence is Jpac. Today's never wedding. A man be Jew one a wedding in the middle. The next was news now, but I said that boy should be kidnapped. People now Kurugaka. People now Kuruyaka. People now Ogechi Okeke. Now say Jpac sick. Everybody Jpac was sick kidnapped where. Biara now bangare hamara usuno now but the next end because of Ogechi video that boy that Jpac should be kidnapped. Okucha the video Igbo na akuru aka na wetere sentiment na asemo je say Igbo gini anako Igbo onwere mgbe Igbo ji wee sị gị je kparịba nwanne gị ko were mgbe Igbo ji wee onwe mgbe mana na Igbo ji wee gwa nwanne gị sị gị na ịpụta gị je ebo nwanne gị ihe ọ na-emeghe omenala Igbo mgbe ji wee gwa gị sị gị je defame wo character mmadụ gị bụ eji na ede omenala Igbo nwere mgbe o ji wee sị gị kpọrọ nwanne gị ndị ohi si bịa gbue onye bụ the problem akwa ọkara aga biga today akwa amara o since o ji mecha video a ka akwa ji wee problem e wee jide innocent boy kemgbe because of ihe Ogechi video mere eme one ka m ekwu gara one ọ bụ na ọ dasa hapụ Ogechi mụ bụ Jpac my own petition bụ ihe ebuje prison mara justice is no ọ dịghị interested taa that video ahụ ọ sị bịa kidnap m ka m meji eme gị taatị forgiveness adịrọzi kịta I have given my ejego njegoro blog 6 inches blog tichara obi m so ebe ị na-anye m mgbaghara kedu ihe na-anye m mgbaghara for kedu ihe na-abịa yọrọ m time for mgbaghara agago now because na they gave you long rope to apologize today says that Madam Justice mechara kpọta my man 75 years old. This lady went and insulted that woman, that old mother of 75 years old. Rubbish that woman, the woman ne bagwa. Today, that woman they were BP because of Ogechi Okeke. Onye na amara Ogechi amara. Omara Ogechi amara today. Ihe ogwara nwaanyị 75 years, the woman they were BP. And I say, forgive Ogechi one negi. Also why Ogechi begida kwa na prison, anya mmiri chopụta na anya. My petition yebuje prison. That kidnapper Jpac na arakwa na araha na aram n'ike. These 2-1 bugodinke dia butege ebe obere na aba. Wali ne forgive. Otherwise agwanga ego ni ga-akwum. Otherwise I'll give you bill. Ego ni rutara na America ga-aba n'isi Jpac. Next time repụta agosi na onye aba onye ukpo. Agbagosi na onye aba onye ukpo. Esi onye ukpo ị na-agba. From today I want you to know that na ndị ukpo onye ọbụla bụ onye ukpo nwere atom of obi block na azụ ebe a. We are loving people. We are good, very loving people. I just need to check a day like this. But emekwa ebe enwudere Ogechi n'ime kupu a nwaanyị bụ amụ n'ime kupu a fake life n'ime kupu a na Abuja na Dandata village ka eji enwuta nwa emekwa ebe o ji edekwa ụgwọ ụlọ mba Ogechi non-completed building onye na-asa ụlọ isi na o nwere duplex, ị nwere duplex wee na-arahụ na duplex gị, enwere duplex ebe a, enwere duplex ebe a, enwere duplex ebe a. Ebe o ji eje ebe enwetara Ogechi na n'ime Dandata village na Kubwa, Kaduna road ka o ji eje zoo kpọrọ one small girl na-asa avue. Oh, it was that girl ka esi wee nweta Ogechi. Ogechi amana ya nweta n'ụwa. Even gị nwa na watch self, agwa gị na Ogechi nọ na Nigeria, ime believe because o ji eje ebe a network adịrị ebe a, ebe o ji ezo onwe n'ime Kaduna road, n'ime village ebe ndị Hausa na-ebi. Fake life up and down. People are aka. I pity people na akụrụ Ogechi aka. Maybe you don't know Ogechi. Ị mara Ogechi, ị mara onye ọ bụ, ị maghị ọfụma. Ị mara ọfụma. Ogechi wee zoo onwe na Kaduna, n'ime Kaduna road, Kubwa. N'ime Kaduna road. N'ime Abuja, ụzọ Kaduna road. A big lady, a big woman, American citizen for that matter. Ị na-asa isi. Ị mara a ga-enwude gị. Mana justice hapụgo taa, Jpac ama hapụgo. Let it be on record. So that my son come up to them tomorrow. Mmadụ enwetukwana respect ebe my son nọ. Mana mpe bụ atakata agbụsị ya. Na mpe bụ atakata agbụsị ya. Mma na-achụgụ n'ife, na-achụgụ na mmụọ. Nchụọ gị n'ife eweta gị, ewere spiritual sobe gị. One day, ọfọ m eme gịnị enwude gị tituo gị n'ala because na gịnị na-ejiri nga ọfọ. When if mere gị one day. Ị mara ọ bụ na Jpac bụ idiot. Na Jpac bụ onye ohi. Jpac bụ o nwere okwu ya bụ ikwuo ọ dị too believable small. Jpac bụ nke a. Jpac like ego. O nwere ụdị ọnụ ya akọ Jpac o nwere ọdọrọ deep. No ya pụta onye nwụrụ anwụ because ị nwere leti ife anya ba mekwuru ọnụ ya ịpụta na-asị ya Jpac na-ara ya n'ike. Mgbe that man dị ndụ, can you be able to cough? Ị ga-ekwuwe okwu n'ụwa mgbe ife anya ba dị ndụ, can you cough? In a that video that minute, in the next 1 hour, every go to America. Will you cough? Now, among all the billionaires in Nigeria, over 250 million population in Nigeria, only the what day? I got an ike no Jpac. People na Koreaka. Oh, here be we. Ana Koreaka. Hey. Ride down. Why Ibuamo? Akosayo na why Ibuamo? Today, these people have deceived you, bring you back to Nigeria. Mawagwata Mezugo, Kenzin Kara Edinogo, Hanine, Rabataga Nigeria. Now, who will be able to come to Abuja and sign for your church? No, nobody. They cannot come to Abuja, they cannot near that place. Makosayono, Mezugo, Mankadaga Edinogo. Or what are you going to any Interpol office? Nobody. Even as I speak to you, our daddy Ebuka Obi cannot come because no matter go and Zoku. Aboged onya boy gazetted criminal. Onye because he cannot, as a man of God, he cannot put his hand. Because Ogechi believe na daddy Ebuka Obi ya be babatam. Orumbe daddy be achopụta Evangelist Ebuka Obi chopụtara na onye a bụ onye ohi. Onya iti aka ebe she would dent your image. Onye mana sere aka because of one like you were because of Ofumronye, you were lose all the thousands of souls so into her Christ. You were because of Ogechi, you were lose all thousands of souls turning into her Christ. You better leave that person, let the person go. All the people Ogechi trust today, happy because when they knew her lifestyle, everyone is senior Kenu. Everybody senior Kenu. So you better say Jpac. I have a yes, I have a yes. Kai bumunna say as one day were able to do one day in Ubawe. Okwa Osinachi, Kai J. were a sentence here for murder. Yeah, by hanging. Makagani kid gomere. No munye. Oh, my husband and wife, no blue. So every crime with a justice. Everything with a justice. Koyese, I'm standing with Ogechi. God bless you. Let me block you immediately. Go and stand with her at the prison. Go and stand with her. Source of petition can be here to Enga. What they are. That time I'm gonna lock. Obuna Ogechi there are young bagarana. January 3rd. Obuna young bagarana January 3rd. Mbabe akure na zone 13. Obuna obera young bagara by now. Because I personally spoke with Mariam. say no open onye ayogi gbagare. God will bear me witness. I don't have heart. E wona mo bi ojo. E wona mo bi ojo. I say if this lady yogi, na my own ain't a problem. I can forgive at any time. My annoyance started again. Mbe say be free this person. Not minding the passport I got the custody. This lady we are not chetaziazo. Jam all the group of Akosayon. Akosayon we begin where could you see? Could you see this girl? Come on, your apology. Now I don't want America just take care of her children. Oh, but you got Madam Justice. Jpac, because him against ya so him against it to his yoke. Him against it to his yoke. If I say, keep me better my contact. Come put us a news. I'm not using the ego. Na ego njelini. Man, God does not allow it to happen. The more you talk about Jpac, the more people give me contract. Since that time till now, am I faking everything? When they fake? It half them never advert. I'm going no 50,000 can they advert. Yeah. At least I'm not begging anybody for food. I'm going no 100,000 can they never advert. At least I'm not begging. I'm busy. Today we're going to market. They're going to advert. So since that people name tomorrow. So I'm saying that people believe Ogechi, like half of my 30% of my friends nearly believe her. And those people are big fish. They nearly believe Ogechi. So those people may believe Ogechi today. I am on the phone or maybe call them. Maybe I will be thinking on your busy. I'm not know I said Akorako. If I can be even say didn't if I say Jpac emotional blackmail. Mwa ze obi mu de ba. Go and ask Ogbage. It now. All my brother Pam say Jue. All my brother call Woyobo. I have worked for him. It won't have any problem. I have worked for Pam. It won't problem. Ndi young Rugoro, Wubo young Rota. That's not Jpac Riego. More Jpac on to dubious a character. Or Jpac. Oh, yes, it's not Jpac like Riego. Because I'm a zone, I'm a hustler. Highest is not Jpac making it. Now like Riego. What do you like Riego? Even government like Riego. What do you like Riego no what? Why is this not like it? Man, I may I will not eat your own. Man, I can kegi. Come on, Zagi, yes, sir. Maybe I'm not a Riego kegi. Go over them number. If somebody duped on where use way. And I say, one negi, one dinner, Anambra, never out. So, in the Palace of Justice, any opening 1 hour, may video again. Palace of Justice, in 1 hour, may video again. We go to release Ogechi air. I hope them big, but Koran going to spend the easy, a balance them the money by force. In 1 hour, may video again. We'll see really, see, I hope them big. Because all the money spend the easy, but the money. Malice. Because now the same Palace of Justice Jpac. I created an account. Can I look at the bomb one hey money? I created an account for Palace of Justice get released here. More and waja. I to bego to go ginger people. I added Desi Empire. Desi Empire seen as bomb shame one and some way it is no number Ken. Namu hapo Ken I want anga. No problem I care, don't have Ken. Ogechi for that. Piasum, same na why you create account. Na makuya Palace of Justice be no why. Why you create account to where I wear never. Or when the same Ogechi Ken give one gun now about the money if you're a man, you have to be a man. Since you are doing like Mumu, let me insult you so that give money if the same Ken for that. Can I check out we were Nangabo Senegal? Waja, Negoku, what I can nego can we would take the ego. The same Ogechi we put it online. We are going to Waja by the not 3 million. We are going to Waja by real not 3 no ego contribution 3 million at Tara Ken. Oh, more but say, oh, Waja, that come forget I here. Forget it. No, Kabul Ken, will be. Ogechi can never forgive you till I don't know what. till a body aja no wa. Onye na-enwere forgiving heart can I send bia forgive wo. Onye na-enwere forgiving heart can I say forgive wo. O nwere ife okwute no wa ka are to ken ego. I see onwu na-eme call. Na-eje sell. Ken amagese wote ni na sell. Ken o to 1 naira there. Oro waja da apesu. Ana na ginger. This empire seen a group poor. Everybody didn't know before. Seen a group poor. Abalance over 100,000. Abalance the media. Over 100,000. More with 100,000. Or this one can then the letter. Keep a hair post. Release Mary Bennett. Can it be queen at the cup or walk? You may queen here get the cup or walk. Ebere na ade nyere onye chọrọ ebere ọ dị na akwụkwọ nsọ. Ebere na adere nyere onye chọrọ ka emere ebere ọ bụrụ onye na-achọghọ ka emere ebere. Ịma ife na-aga n'azụ Ken the same lady pụtara na-ebo waja allegation na waja riri 3 million naira tụtara gị, which is a lie. Na-ere waja bụ odogwu anyị na-eghe ọkụ na-atụ ego na-eme call ka afụ na everything dị alright. You there, oh my sister. Yeah, I gotta be with a while. Delete your nonsense in that he did it. Those nonsense I hid there in a page about Ogechi. We want delete those nonsense because the lady does not deserve it. You deserve it. You doesn't deserve that thing nonsense I did there. My boy, I service call again. Can out war. Be a man. Okay. Face your wahala. Face your fraud. Face whatever that come for you. How can a woman challenge me and win me for what? Come I adore us here for 20 years. Because my children is coming up. Yeah, but then he is get online. He is to say, Ogechi no why motomu. I said, oh yeah, but I care. I say, like father, why ya to magegu? Could I to magegu? I'm okay. Guy, if you don't want to do that, live. Before I'm saying that, unless no was there a pardon. Man, my petition must reach Abuja, which my petition is already there. So, weapon atom of apology that or there are lie. What goes to the Thank you.